still gonna win.
It's a sin? Jesus Christ. Do you know he ain't as holy as him?
Are you really saying that when the Pope is my kin?
Whoa! He's a heretic! You're finally stoning this kid!
Good. I'm always stoned, bruv, because I'm smoking the piff.
Hello everybody and welcome to Sounds Like, the only panel show that's all about rhymes. Uh-oh.
Looks like it's come home.
Lock up your daughters in the front row.
Fuck.
Whoa, sup, bro?
Stub toe.
There goes your days of doing jump rope.
Just go! Get on with the intro.
Intro?
I can't say stuff unless it rums, bro.
You're in luck, though.
You haven't just got one host,
You've got us both. It's Shufflo!
It worked.
It worked.
And in Rhyme Square, it's the freak of schemes these geeks employ. They keep him sweet in penis toys. His cheesy feet will reek of soy. Make an eeky, screechy, shrieky noise for Bleezy, Bleezy, Bleezy boy! Well, we've got some amazing guests with us today, so let's get on with the rhyme introductions. It's always like that with us. Yeah. We're practicing. No, it's introductions.
Well, he's set in stone a martyr. He has very dope pajamas. Out of politeness in restaurants, he never goes for starters. Handsome, and best believe there ain't many folks as smarter. We're bringing him along to the celebratory ceremony after. It's the legend known as Artcha! Come on. Next one to go.
And this guy is so damn talented, it is weird. When he enters a room, everyone else vanishes, disappears. He's one of the best producers in the game. That should be crystal clear. And congratulations, heard you also married your chick this year. I guess Bradley the Wizard's near. I am happy that Blizzard's here.
Very complimentary.
Yeah.
I didn't know you married your chick this year. Chick. We went for chick, did we? Fine.
News to me as well.
And you know the G. So totally a dope MC, can flow with ease, never ages. You'd so believe he's in the lower teens. With his glowing teeth and rosy cheeks, he's who I someday hope to be. It's Tony D!
Have you actually done all of them nice?
I've gone for a really nice one today.
That was very pleasant.
All of them?
Yeah.
Every one?
Every last one.
All right. This next motherfucking legend is the GOAT, mate.
Oh.
So great. Godlike. I just want to gas him up when he's cooking like propane. He's in dope shape from lifting all of those weights. Promise me one thing, don't change, it's Cojay!
You're on a roll. It's just, do another one.
We've done compliments battles before, they kind of rub up on us. We want to just add a positive vibe to the end of the night.
Do another one.
And it's the awesome freaking dude. Tall and sweet and cute. Generous, charitable. He'll always leave some food, so there's more for me and you. Lightning from his fingertips, the final form of Pikachu, it's naughty, cheeky Cruger! Here we go.
And I am grateful.
Thankful.
That he decides to grace the channel.
He's the guy that makes the panel.
Lose your minds again for Bagnall! Thank you.
Didn't I tell you? I wasn't going to stitch you up on this.
Oh, shit.
Thank you, that's the nicest.
We were going to be nice the whole time, and I told you that was what was...
Sorry.
I want to big you up.
Sorry, we need to... we'll do that again. We did the wrong one.
Oh, fine.
It's that.
Do you want me to step out?
No, it's fine. You should be here for this. I'll do it from there.
You sure?
Yeah. I think this is the right one. It's time to scrape the barrel.
This is the one.
This is the one.
Yeah, this is the one, yeah. This guy's a major hassle.
Wouldn't even dare try to take a battle.
I want to slice his face with gravel.
And annihilate this asshole.
His rhyming game's a shambles.
Name counts for nothing.
Like a game of Scrabble.
He's back, got the hump and can't even spit.
Like a baby camel.
Last series, he made a crack at a Chinese mail, got cancelled.
So he decided to fly away and travel.
Crikey, mate, it's Bagnall!
Why is there a dick drawn on my board? Who's done that? Who's fucking done that?
I assume that was a self-portrait.
No.
Bow bun. It's round one. This is where our panellists come with stuff that they found lulling around and make a rhyming and comfortable sound.
Yeah, in English, that means that our panellists are tasked with bringing in 2 items that rhyme with each other. 2 items! You can have some artistic license, but the person you have to impress is Bleez in Rhyme Square. He is right there.
Hello.
See if I care.
Come on, Bleez.
Unlike Marlo, you can see my nice hair. Come on.
It's good. He has got you there. You're bald, you're bald, it's fact. Right.
It is fact.
Can you, for us, give us an example, for the crowd, of something we can expect in terms of Rhyme Square's ability to do rhymes in the wild? Long-winded, some might say, that little segment. Not me. Go ahead.
So here I have the twin box of Camp Rock.
I didn't know there was 2.
There are 2 movies.
It's a sequel.
There are 2.
Wow.
Twin box of Camp Rock and some pink Ottoman socks.
We've also come, since it's, a special one, it's the 2 of us hosting, we've also done our own kind of rhyme in the wild.
We don't do things by halves, Theo.
No, we do not. So should we show it now?
Yeah, let's show it.
All right, well, we have a doormat, a candle,
and a cork hat for Bagnall! You Australian bastard!
Do I have to wear this for the whole show?
It looks good.
I would prefer if you did, yeah.
Contractually.
Did you know that the cork bits apparently are used to keep flies away?
Yeah, I've heard that. Might keep you out of my hair then.
Well, it's useful for you because you smell like shit.
Oh, okay.
I had that planned earlier, I wrote it. Did you notice I wrote it earlier?
He's been practicing that one all day.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Well, who should we start with? Let's go with, I'm thinking this guy. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that guy.
Artcha. First time on the show.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's your last. Let's see what you got.
So, because my mind is so crazy and unorganized, I need a rubber band.
Okay.
Very natural sentence.
That's great.
And because my phallus is so big, I need an extra rubber hand.
Excellent. Excellent.
All right, who's next?
Let's go for, I'm thinking a bit of Cojay.
Come on, then.
See, in truth, I'd come with a few fire multis to show these new timers who's nicer, but I was too tired, so I just got a screwdriver, and that was a blue lighter. Blue fire. Yeah, it was 10-10. It was performance, it did a flip.
I love that you did a flip.
That did a flip, that's what I'm saying.
That was
nice.
too violent.
Oh.
It was good.
Okay, what about Blizzard?
I was going to use the ticket that I had on the train to travel, but we couldn't print it out because of paper hassle. But what I do have is a fragrant candle. It's like grape or apple.
Yeah.
I've got a DVD of Blazing Saddles. And my t-shirt on display today is tailor-made of the aim and break. If it's A-OK, I'll play a sample.
Sure. We'll all hear it.
Yeah. Also got a dangerous tackle. Print it out. If you can see, the United player nearly breaks his ankle. The rhymes seem to come to me like magic. And here's a great example. I was printing out a picture of my favourite battle. But the ink has ran and the printer jammed, so the picture has printed at a crazy angle.
All right, next up, let's have Tony.
Come on.
Dangerous, sorry.
Yeah. I don't like this round.
No?
No.
What do you like about it?
Do you know why? The last time I came on it, do you know what? First of all, yeah, I don't like Bleez. Like I think that.
I know there's beef. I know there's beef.
It's an established fact at this point. But
This is show law at
like,
this point.
like he has a very arbitrary rating system. I'm not on board with how he scores things, right? Because the last time I was here, I had a whole bag. I had so many things that rhymed, right? And he said it's only 2. He told me it's only 2. I think I was last in that round. And we've come here today and people have just been listing, rapping, rhyming words, all sorts. So, today, because of him, I was just on minimal effort. Because it was very difficult to walk around.
Didn't learn his lesson then, I think. You see what
I'm saying?
You said you brought only 2. Is it Tony D or Tony who? Is it Tony D or does Tony lose?
Do you know why the show is now like that and everyone's bringing loads? Because you did that last time.
Yeah, you're a trendsetter.
You're a trendsetter, mate. You've set the trends and then gone back on your own style.
Do you know what, yeah? You've made me feel slightly better.
There you go. I'm bringing people together.
So, yeah, today I just thought to myself, we'll just do whatever. I've got, hold on. 16 fags in a packet.
16 fags in a packet.
Nice.
And a crisp, clean Basquiat jacket.
Oh. There we go. It's simple.
Can I see those bags?
Is there 16? Do you know what? The funny thing was, it started that I've got 19. I had to keep changing my rhyme pattern.
It's 16.
What was it when it was 19?
A nice clean.
A nice clean, yeah.
He can do it all.
Excellent.
Okay, and why don't we hear from
Cruger.
Cruger boy?
Okay. So, here I have got my favourite video game as a key ring on a chain.
Wow.
Tetris is its name. Nice. And to go with that, I brought a cushion in a glittery case. But if you flick it this way, you'll see a familiar face. It is my mate, Nicolas Cage!
Nicolas Cage's face is quite familiar.
Very familiar.
It's
Face Off, John Travolta, classic. Okay, and let's go to Bagnall.
Now, I believe in you for this one, mate. He's been slagging you off this whole time we've been rehearsing.
I have actually,
I do believe in you. I think this is the time that you can bring this back and you can clear your good name.
He's about to kill it. He's about to kill it, man.
Let's go, it's good.
Thank you. All right, can I just start my bit by saying, Shuffle T, your attitude sucks. Coming from Australia, bringing a rhyme from Australia, I had to start scanning through stuff. Trust me when I tell you that I had a few duds. Plus, I realised trying to pack a cat was too much, so I got to the airport and I found these kangaroo nuts. And I thought, that's perfect, because all I had in my suitcase was this crappy toothbrush in a bag of loose cups.
That's too much.
Was that really what was in your suitcase?
I was planning...
Just like that?
I was planning for a big trip.
Okay, well, they've split into 2 teams.
With individual duties.
To bring in a few things.
Who's the winner you choose, Bleez?
Who are you going to go for, boy?
My man's Artcha. Sorry, putting you on the last spot there.
Oh, Last Artcha.
I am indeed.
It's a badge of honour, mate.
Well, my man, what was it, the screwdriver you had?
The screwdriver and the blue lighter.
Yeah.
But there was a little extra jazz in there, though.
Well, the screwdriver you had, when it flew right out of the bag. The blue lighter you had.
Let's go.
All right, who's next?
I'm going Bleez.
Bleez.
I'm going Bleez.
1, 2, 3
I feel like
points for
that was
Bleez. And then
disrespectful.
who?
Robbery guy.
I'm going. It is a robbery to say that Bagnall has gone before you there, Bleez. I'm sorry about that. Bagnall.
Bagnall with 4
Kangaroo
points.
nuts, you crazy.
Much love, Tony. Man killed it with the 2 fucking items, perfectly rhymed. But your second is Cruger with a win.
Okay. Second team 1 with team ass.
What does it sound like? Sounds like a multi to me. What does it sound like? Sounds like a multi to me.
The big guy is my name. It's the quick-fire rhyme game.
No one calls him that.
Oh, well, they do.
No one calls you that.
Behind my back.
Go on.
This is where we will give a team a word or words and then a clue as to what rhymes with that word.
You can't come up with just any old rhyme. You have to get the one from the clue.
Yeah.
So, if the rhyme scheme was, for example...
Homer Simpson's road rage.
And the clue was the earth is flat, the answer would, of course, be...
No, it isn't Cojay.
You know that it's a globe shape.
Isn't learning about the solar system so great?
Okay, so we're going to start with Cruger, Tony and Artcha. Do you three have a team name?
I believe we do.
Yeah.
Okay. Give it to me.
I actually forgot. I thought we was going with Cruger,
Our
Tony,
team
and
name
Artcha.
is the Nomads.
The Nomads.
okay. Nomads.
Give it up. Okay.
For the Nomads. You know when that...
More like the no-nads.
Okay, you can skip if you don't know, but give it a go, though.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I work with whales, not in zoos. Archer album of 2020. Your album.
Oh, my album.
Yes.
In Wales, not in zoos.
Work with whales, not in zoos.
Oh, Urban Tales Volume 2.
Easy! Okay. I'm going to shit out my bum. Cosmic Ballet.
I'm going to shit out my bum.
I'm going to shit out my bum.
Skip that.
Cosmic Ballet. What happens in space? You can see
Solar
it.
system, the sun?
Oh, what is it? Come on.
The global...
Do you want to skip?
You skip.
Skip it!
Yeah, skip it.
Okay, Connor Maynard. Tony's permanent place of residence.
What? Oh my day! What a prick!
Good one, there was it.
Shut graveyard.
Okay. Bunk bed.
After this.
Bunk bed. Kruger's latest narration rap.
Cuphead.
Cuphead is right. Yeah. Fred's peculiar talent. What Cruger says after failing to satisfy a woman.
What?
Fred's peculiar talent.
Fred's peculiar talent.
You go, honestly, this...
Never usually happens.
Hey! Which is a lie. Architecture. High street shop.
Marks and Spencer's.
Oh, very good. A laminated copy. Hot drink without the energy.
Decaffeinated coffee.
Correct.
Yeah.
Parliament is a massive disease. New Marvel film.
Parliament is a massive disease.
Wait.
Skip.
Time!
Oh,
Time. Give him a round of applause.
Fuck, I know that one.
You've been clapping all day.
I'm going to shit out my bum. Cosmic Ballet. The total eclipse of the sun.
That was it. I was so close. I said solar system and sun.
Stupid clue.
Architecture. What was it?
Marks and Spencer's.
Here we go.
Correct. There they are.
Yep.
Don't
know who they
Mark or Spencer. Who's that? Is that the actual Mark and Spencer?
That's my dad and his dad.
Oh, Mark and Spencer. Oh, yeah.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Why does it look like we have each other's dads?
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie. There's some stories to be told. in your
baldness ain't
family,
hereditary.
sir.
But yeah, Parliament is a massive disease. Bleez.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Should we throw it out to...
Guardians of the Galaxy 3.
Does anyone know?
Guardians of the Galaxy 3.
Guardians of the Galaxy 3.
We only said it 500 times. Yeah. Okay, now we have Bagnall, Blizzard, and Cojay. The BBC.
That's a
Have you got a better team name than that?
We do.
Big bad cock.
Big bad.
That was not what I was going for.
Just the entire
Actually,
thing.
I'm saying bags ain't
I'm
shit.
being very undertone.
Bags ain't shit.
That's the name of
Bags ain't shit.
Bags
That's
ain't
our
shit.
team name.
You seem very, very convinced that that's the name, so we're going to go with that.
1,000%.
Bags ain't shit.
Bags ain't shit. Do you hear
Let's
what he
make
was
sure we
coming out
spell
with?
it.
Bags ain't shit.
Okay, your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Mending Bagnall's ego. Film director.
Quentin Tarantino.
Oh!
Dead weight. I've got your king surrounded.
Oh!
I'll have to ask the management. Cojay auditioned for a musical about this man.
Anthony Hamilton.
It's David Beckham. Blizzard single.
Oh no.
It's raining men.
No, that's not Blizzard single. Not listen, no, yeah, but not like he's broken up with his
Skip, I've
wife.
done too many. Go.
It's a blizzard single.
It's taken.
Right. My mum does a Smash Mouth cover. Something Bagnall sings about where he currently lives.
I live in a land down under. I live in a land.
I'm going to need the entire answer.
There he is.
Mike Tyson's fat. Drive through.
Mike Tyson's fat.
Drive through. Mike Tyson's fat. Drive through.
Mike Tyson.
Skip.
Skip it.
Okay. Very sore migraine. Ride at Disneyland, Florida.
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
He's got it straight away! He's got it straight away! Right. Hobbits are so cool. 2 digital audio workstations.
Logic and Pro Tools.
You're cooking, bro. You're cooking, bro. Keep going.
Clear weather. The reason I'm joining in with the Bagnall hate today. Clear weather.
Yeah.
Got it.
Very good.
Right.
Smoke.
Right, let's move on. Betting your life savings at the races.
Time. I'm sorry. We've got to call it time. Big round of applause.
He choked.
Well, no, you did have 1 second left.
Can we have this one?
I mean, I wasn't. You know.
Okay.
I can recover from a choke, but I can't recover from a choke that quickly.
No.
I mean, 1 second left.
Give them the 1 second worth of clue that you owe them.
1 second worth of clue. You have to get it straight away.
3, 2, 1.
Betting me
Time. Sorry, that's it.
That's fair.
Well done.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Right. Let's do the answers.
Who cares?
Oh, midday reflection.
Midday reflection.
Crazy.
Are you joking? I did every round. I did every single bit. And you moaned at me for a song I didn't do.
It was your song.
It was your song.
I'll take the L, guys.
Right. Mike Tyson's fat. Drive through.
Oh, do you like fries with that?
Yes,
There he is.
I was thinking of restaurants, franchises.
All right, the final one was. Should we just throw this out to everyone?
come on, yeah.
Betting me life savings at the races. The top 4 Shuffle T and Marlo attributes according to our
Fuck off.
Bad bars.
What? You've already fucked it.
Betting me life savings at the races. The top 4 Shuffle T and Marlo attributes according to our mums.
Incredibly nice faces.
I can't believe no one's just shouting it out.
I thought it was really obvious. All right.
It's about 30 syllables
The
long. Give
answer,
us time,
obviously,
mate.
is chemistry, rhymes, grace, and handsome faces.
Of course, obviously.
This is rigged.
I'm calling my mum a liar.
Sounds like a multi to me.
Howdy, pow we need to get on to round 3 of Sounds League. This round be Count Eep. You need to come up with a line that just isn't unfinished in a time limit of 1 minute. Go! You can do as many lines as you want in that time, but at the end of that minute, you're going to tell your lines to us and Bleez, who will rank them from first to worst. Bleez, tell us, what rhymes are they working from today?
Burger and fries.
Burger and fries. Okay. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. There we go.
Oh, yeah, the sound.
We're meant to have the sound going. What does it sound like?
Do we have any light entertainment? Someone could maybe come up to the stage and...
Does anyone know? Can anyone do balloon animals?
Can anyone do balloon animals?
You. No, I bet you can. Come on.
You look like you can do balloon animals.
Come on. Give a round of applause. Balloon animal man.
Balloon animal man.
I really can't.
No, it's all right.
You look like you can do balloon animals, and that's important.
To your
You
audience.
also look like you like arse to arse.
Come on.
Right.
Come on.
Okay.
You've got a pump, bud. You've got a pump.
25 seconds, my friend.
It's professional.
Yeah. Plenty time.
He can't get it on.
Here we go.
Just hold it there and then.
If you even manage to pop the balloon up, it'll be an achievement.
Oh, you've broken the fucking pump. You're paying for that.
5,
Fuck, this has been a shit show.
3, 2,
No, just pop
1. Time. Hands on heads. Hands on heads. Hands on heads. Hands on heads.
Okay, Tony, what did you get written?
I said, I like the Sounds Like show. Okay. But Bleez can get murdered. It's fun.
Fucking hell.
His whole person gets sliced. It will put him up into little servings. It's nice. And we'll have him served on the side with burgers and fries.
Yeah.
Until it rots and the maggots turn into flies.
Fuck yeah. Some extremely visceral hatred towards the judge of this round.
Yeah, I don't really think I've earned that, my guy.
It's pretty. We done 2 shows, and I don't like you because of them. You earned it, bro. You definitely earned it.
But listen, all of that shit, you're still hurting my pride.
Oh, look at him.
Well,
I'm deserving, my guy. He's going to cry.
I'm going to turn to the side and ask Artcha. What are you?
Okay. Oh, damn. So, we are obviously the nice guys against these wise guys. Not my size. I'm not surprised. We come alert after 5:30. Drive-thrus save lives. I'll have a burger and fries.
Very good.
Yo, that was ass!
Okay, let's go to Cojay. What did you get written?
I said, I'm supersized like burgers and fries, but I'm so notorious, I guess murder's my mind. I'm not the one to try and defeat because you rhymers are sweeter than Turkish delight.
That's nice.
What? Yeah.
Blizzard, what have you got?
Right. Listen, what I've heard from you guys is curtains tonight. I'm absurd with the rhymes, certain and nice. It's going down like a work in the mines. I'm fly like BMW with that German design.
Come on.
I forgot it.
That's no point. You don't get points for that shit.
I'm so upmarket, I drink Burberry wine. Sorry.
You're right, he's making it up.
Kruger, it's on you, sir.
Let's hear it.
Done.
I didn't write down much because I'm still learning to rhyme, and I was having trouble wording it right. So here's some words of advice. Before you do so, have some burger and fries and a rum and coke served with a lime.
That's nice.
I prefer it with ice. Nah,
There we go.
come on.
And last and hopefully not least, can we go for Bagnall, please?
Come on, Baggy.
I got burger and fries. This guy's fast food. I'm serving this guy. He's a sensitive kid. You can burn him with ice. I'll work him tonight. You'll find me turning the night until he's worshipping Christ.
Are you kidding?
Come on.
Are you joking? What?
Thank you. That's what I needed.
Please, who are you giving it to? What are you... Yeah, what did you make of that
How do we
round?
see that round?
It was not bad. The Turkish delight was dropped by... Was it Cojay? He dropped Turkish delight?
Yeah.
That is up here, my man.
Very good.
Very nice.
What could they have had?
To be fair, could have had Circle of Life.
That's nice, yeah.
Circle of Life. Early to Rise.
5+5.
I'll tell you... And then, what's it, Tony, you said you cut me serving and slice, but you should have said surgical knife, my man.
Yeah, but I haven't got a book in front of me.
Come on. You know what I mean? This guy, out there whinging over there. And then you got personalised. Come on, that's nice. But then, when's Bagnall going back to Australia? What is it, Terminal 5?
It probably would be, actually.
I think so, yeah.
Terminal 3, actually.
You should get your own plane like Foo Fighters and be learning to fly.
Turbulent flight.
On a turbulent flight. Shut off, okay?
Yeah.
Just for the syllable count, Artcha. Sorry, bro.
Oh,
Giving you there, man. Yeah. I know, man.
I mean, I didn't want to say anything.
Really?
Okay, who's next?
I'm going Bagnall.
Yeah, obviously.
Worshipping Christ.
Okay.
That's not bad, it's not bad. The whole delivery was poor.
3 points goes to...
I've got Cojay's after that. Cojay.
Mine went way crazy. It was punch every bar, bro. It was
Punch every bar, bro.
Third, I'm giving Tony.
Tony.
Give you third for that, bro. That's nice. Second, Cruger for the Blizzard for the win.
Blizzard wins.
Very nice, very nice.
What does it sound like? Sounds like a multi to me. What does it sound like? Sounds like a multi to me.
Now for Round
Four.
Four.
This is essentially, wait for it, rhyming charades.
Yeah?
Yeah?
We're calling it
Rhyming charades.
I went for Charhymes.
Oh, okay. All right. Fine. Sorted.
Charhymes.
All right. So we're just gonna try some out, aren't we?
Yeah, well, let's warm you up.
All
with a
right,
couple.
here we go.
So this is for no points. We're just going to go over
We're
here.
not gonna do this. No, maybe in a bit. We haven't.
What?
Right, first one, yeah. Let's just get everyone warming up.
Get you in the mood. Everyone
guys,
can play.
This is for no points.
So whose line is it anyway, isn't it?
Here we go. Yeah. Come on in. What's this?
Handshake.
All right. What's this?
Pancake.
There we go.
Oh, you can.
Pancake. There we go. All right, so we'll switch it up, shall we?
Different scheme.
Yeah, different scheme. Let's see if you can get this, you little twats.
Give me that.
Oh, give it back.
Titty tats.
It's close enough. Tit for
Fine,
tat.
tit
It's a
for
play
tat.
on words. It's
That
very.
was bad, bro.
Oh, what? Oh.
Give me that.
Give me that kitty
It's
cat.
literally the next one.
The next one.
Chitty scratch. Chitty scratch.
What's the after? Meow.
A kitty cat.
Kitty cat for fuck's sake.
we said that.
No, you said like. There's no points.
We'll switch it up. What are the rhymes?
What are the rhymes?
Fishing.
A swine flying.
Optimus Prime.
Yes. Which is a
That's crazy.
Transformer.
robot in disguise.
What do you like?
What are you like? Thank you.
And then,
A body of Christ.
yes. Okay, you get it?
Okay.
They did not.
Now, in the real thing now, we're not going to act it out. You guys are going to act it out.
I didn't
Come
agree.
Not at the
Shit,
front.
bro.
So we've got basically,
A hat.
which has a bunch of folded cards for you to pick from. Right, okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Clue, leave a bomb. Leave a bomb.
Peeping Tom.
Yeah.
Yes!
Aye, can't get him out. Igloo.
Penguin.
Yes!
What?
Great.
Stopgap.
A hot tap.
Yes!
Come on. Jack Black. Sports bra.
Sore arm.
Yeah. 10 seconds. Okay. Cross stitch.
Chopsticks.
Yeah.
Very good!
Right. Let's get the last one.
All right, everybody ready? Everybody
Are
ready?
you going to do the time?
3, 2, 1.
Postman Pat.
Yoga stance. Yoga mat.
Yes!
Thank fuck for you.
Tony's livid.
Tony's mad.
Burn the phone.
Work. Sherlock Holmes.
Yes! You're taking too long and folding them.
Motherfuckers. Nigel Farage.
Wiping my ass.
5 seconds. Come on.
Malibu.
A kangaroo.
Yay!
2,
Malibu.
1.
Time.
I do think that you guys are kind of like steaming through it. This is kind of what we call the easy hat.
It's the easy hat, isn't it? We need a
harder hat.
We need
need
a
a
hard
hard
hat. Alrighty, next up.
Oh, wait, we all gotta
In
do
the
this.
hard
We've
hat,
all got to do it.
we have Cojay.
Fuck my life, bro.
3,
Bro, you gotta do some mad shit.
1, go.
Spirit level.
Yeah. Philip Neville. No. Skip it.
Skip it. Fuck that.
Skip it, Rebel.
Roasted broccoli.
Yeah.
Grown in Ogany. Okay. What?
Something.
Colonoscopy.
Happy music.
Yeah.
Snap
Camera.
and shoot it. Camera movement. That's That's improvement.
Magic broomstick. Fucking knows.
Heavy boulders.
Sweating. Head and shoulders.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Self-destruct.
Best to fuck. Better fuck. Oh.
Crazy ass shit.
Stinging nettles.
Excellent work. You've got to get into it, bro. I love that at the beginning he was like, I did the sex toy. He's like, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. We're going to lose. And then at the end he's doing the pelvic thrust.
No, that's fine. But the other one was crazy.
Wait. Cojay, do your one again for happy music.
Happy music.
What was the clue? Anyone get it?
Stanley Kubrick.
Yeah, Stanley Kubrick.
I didn't know what else to do.
You ready, Tony? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, so Cavalier.
Yeah.
Chandelier.
No, man.
Planet sphere.
Atmosphere.
Okay, I think I get it now. Go. Sorry, my bad.
One successful.
Go.
You can skip it. What is it?
Locked in a barren cabin and writing for help in a book.
Yeah. Locked in a barren cabin. He's not skipping it.
You can skip it.
You can
Fuck
skip
that one.
Yeah, fuck
Oh, Con Air.
Long hair.
No,
Dog hair.
that's the one.
Go. Quick.
Fucking Open Sea.
Tony D.
State prison.
Sight.
No. There's two little rooms.
Long vision.
What's that one there? Look.
And time!
Time. It was motherfucking Abe Simpson. You know when he put it out in the spin right?
Watching Tony D do that was actually like watching your dad at Christmas.
Wow. Tony, so you had a hard one.
Well, he's got what is locked in the barrack. What were you going to do for it? Don't give it away yet. Just what were you going to do for it?
I was dropping a tab of acid and finding yourself in the woods.
No.
Like, I'm not gonna lie.
What was the clue?
Like, the clue was locked in a barren cabin and writing for help in a book. And I'm not gonna lie, you lot are fucking sadists. This is not it's not okay to make people do this stuff, man.
Okay, Cruger next.
Go on, Kruger.
Come on.
I'm always saving you for last.
Right, okay.
Oh, should we wait?
All right.
No, he's watching.
All
Get a
right,
better
baked
seat.
beans.
Brain freeze.
Yeah.
Give it then.
Shut the fuck up.
It's important stuff.
Secret battles.
Jesus statue. Feet of gravel.
You got it. And then, what's this?
Jesus sandals.
Yes.
Yes. Well done. Go.
Shit. Nothing different.
Getting couplets.
Sweating buckets.
Yes.
Go.
Come on.
Firm hold.
Wormhole.
Yes.
Wormhole. Go. I got it.
All right. Quite a sick writer's retreat.
Time.
Go.
All right, pass that.
Well done.
Nice.
You're gonna put on another hat and it's like,
Oh, it's the same hat.
it's the same hat.
I thought I was going to get some crazy shit.
3, 2, 1, go.
Bagnall's whack.
Okay.
Anorak.
Yeah. Thanks for that. Love that.
Have you back?
So we've got Bagnall sucks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Magic touch.
Yes.
Very good.
Magic touch.
Bagnall's whack.
Yeah.
Oh, Bagnall's like a
Is it Anorak? Is it fanny pack? Oh no. Javel.
Oh, skip it.
Cactus Jack?
Yes.
Okay.
Bagnall's whack.
Again.
Skip it.
Bagnall's whack.
Bagnall's whack.
Yes.
Very good.
The easiest one.
Bagnall's whack. Oh, I can't do that.
Is it Bagnall's whack?
No.
Fanny pack.
Bagnall's a neek.
Yeah. Wow. Apple and peach. Apple to eat.
Apple to eat.
Having to eat.
Apple to eat.
Having to eat. Yes.
Let's go, Cojay.
Let's go.
What does it sound like? Sounds like a multi to me. What does it sound like? Sounds like a multi to me.
Well, okay, so we move on to round
5
of sounds.
like
How?
nice.
Wow.
Right.
It's round 5.
It's ba 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 ba. This is where we pit 2 players against each other to have a direct rhyme off on a scheme to ream by me and he, Shuffle T, to be deemed by Bleez. All right, so who is going first?
Who's going to go first? Let's go
Artcha and Blizzard.
Artcha and Blizzard.
Oh, dude. Let's go,
What are you doing to me?
bro. You got this.
What's the scheme they're going to be working from,
So
please?
for Artcha and Bleez, the scheme is going to be Marlo is fit.
Marlo is fit.
nice.
Marlo is fit.
Is fit. Artcha, you've got a minute and a half to go as far
You're
as you
standing,
can.
I'm
on this
standing,
race.
lad.
Oh, we're standing up?
Standing up.
I like the standing up. Let's start with Artcha. Okay, 3, 2.
Wait, he's going to the middle.
Wow, go to it.
Here we go. Right, we're going to have to do all of them like this.
All right, that's it. 3, 2, 1. Artcha, go.
Marlo is fit, but this guy is not shit. I'm too legit to quit, so I won't go because I'm too fit. Live on the stage.
How is Blizzard? You got to go Blizzard. One line each. One line
Oh
each.
shit, sorry, I'm so sorry.
Okay, Blizzard, go.
Go, Bliz.
Okay.
Bro, that was hardly a hit. I heard you paid Marlo off as a bargaining chip.
Okay, it's Artcha.
That's quite fittingly fit, but I know that you are not ready for this big.
And how do you respond to that?
Bro, what the hell, man? Was that a bar on a dick? I'll pull up on you in the tube. I don't need to park in a whip.
Okay, great.
But I know your rhymes are not too legit to quit, so I suggest that you go to the gym and get fit.
Next time.
Don't have it.
Right.
Yeah, we'll go for what? Yeah.
Bro, you aren't even using the rhyme thing, man. Artcha just quit. Bro, Artcha just quit.
And
For that reason.
Time.
The first iteration of our very successful Let's Stand Up book. Bar for bar.
That was pretty good. The concept style was pretty good.
Okay, Bleez. How'd you rank it, boy?
Blizzard coming out straight with the bargaining chip. Fucking straight out of the gate, man. You think, how's he going to say anything else? And he fucking kept coming with it, man. Blizzard all day long. But, man, respect Artcha, man. That was sick.
Big round of applause.
Respect. That was nice. Bargaining chip.
Okay, so now we have Cruger versus Cojay. And what is their right team, please?
So for Cruger, Cojay, we are going for Shuffle's a god.
Very, very kind.
Shuffle's a god.
I agree. Minute and a half. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shuffle's a god. I heard you were fucking a dog.
And the winner is...
Let me clear that up, all right? I was not fucking a dog. But for my bars, I've had more than a couple of nods.
Okay, is that more than a couple of nods?
Not only were you fucking a dog, you were sucking his cock.
These allegations are just flying.
I feel like all of the slander is not gonna stop.
And not only were you sucking a cock and fucking a dog, I also saw you humping a frog.
Wow! That would be so difficult. You crush it. It's tiny.
But I went into the bathroom after you, and by the toilet I could see he was dumping a log.
You were dumping a log while the frog was jumping across.
What a narrative.
This frog is crazy. I said, but I'm colder than a touch of the frost.
But it's kind of like round 3 because when they were doing balloon animals, when you try to rap, nothing will pop.
Don't have it.
Bounce back! 4. It's like I'm shooting a Draco because you ain't got enough for the stock.
Very good. Okay, what a round! What a round!
It was good.
I want you to talk me through Your highlights?
What can you say?
What's
I
the
mean,
narrative? Come on, tell us.
there was nothing left. They found everything under a rock. It was fucking believable. Giving it to Cruger, man.
It's
I
got to
mean,
be Cruger. Last up, of course, we have Bagnall versus Tony.
The matchup everyone's been asking for.
Very exciting, very exciting.
He's very good at these, though, to be fair.
Bleezy, tell us the scheme, baby.
okay, so for Bagnall, Tony D, the scheme will be Bagnall will lose.
Bagnall will lose.
Don't take it, boy! Don't take it!
Is that okay? That's okay.
We can change it.
Yeah.
We can change it if you're not happy with it.
Also, actually, that isn't true.
Should I shut up?
I'm helping you out.
You seem a bit fussy, you seem a bit upset.
I'm ready.
No, it's fine, change it. Fine, let's go.
Okay.
Tony will win. Go.
So we've got a minute and a half.
It's Tony will win.
Tony will win. Tony will win. Okay, we've got a minute and a half.
Three.
I want it to start on Tony. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go, Nee.
Tony will win, because my Cody is him.
It sounds like you're boning the prince.
Sounds like it.
That type of lyric there only is his.
It's the type of thing that will just go with the wind.
Oh!
Just let it slide.
Oh, yeah, go with the wind. Tony will win.
That's right. That's
because, I don't fucking know. It's a sin. I don't fucking know it's a sin.
It's still
You
gonna
know
win.
it's a sin? Jesus Christ. You know he ain't as holy as him.
Do we know?
okay.
Are you really saying that when the Pope is my kin?
He's a heretic. You'll find me stoning this kid.
Good. I'm always stoned, bruv, because I'm smoking the piff.
We all know that your dro is the shit.
Your dro is the shit!
We literally do know that my dro is the shit. Bro, bro, just blatant. The bro is equipped with not enough rams to be potent to hit.
I just hope, like smoking, I hope that you'll quit. It's bad for you, bro. I want you to live longer.
I appreciate you, bro. I love you. I love you.
Please, how do you judge a rhyme?
I'll tell you
like
right.
that? What are you gonna say?
I'll tell you right, fucking now, Bagnall was taking it early doors, struggled from Tony, he came back with the Pope, and then with the Stones, would they come back with the Stones? It's Tony.
It's gotta be Tony. It's gotta be Tony. Okay, well after that, the winners are the Nomads!
Congratulations to them. Thank you to all of our guests, Cojay, Tony D, Blizzard and Artcha. Make sure you follow them on all of the socials. Just guess what their socials are.
Thank you to our amazing studio audience. You've been wonderful from Sounds Like Goud Night! Goud Night!
Sounds like a multi to me.